Hi there,
guys,
and welcome to another Maddy and Jimmy Lego hack. Now, you're probably wondering why our dog Chewbacca, aka Chewie, is on the table.
Well, Jimmy, that's because we're going to make him out of Lego. Okay, to make Chewie, here's what you'll need.
Starting with the bricks, we need 2 brown 2x4 bricks, then 6 brown 2x3 bricks. We also have a brown 1x4 snot, studs not on top. We have a 1x4 brown brick. We have 2 2x1 brown bricks. Then we have 5 2x2 brown bricks. Moving on to the plates. We have 4 2x6 plates, 3 2x4 plates. We have 1 1x4 plate. We have 3 1x2 plates. We have 3 2x2 plates. Obviously, these are all brown. We have 2 of these little L plates, which I can't remember the name of. We have this little hinge section here, which is important for the tail. Then we have 2 red 1x3 plates, which we're going to use for the tongue. We also have a red 2x1 cheese slope. And we have a 2x1 black cheese slope for the nose. We have these studs, brown or any color you like, for the eyes. And we have 2 giant eyes here. We have 4 modified 3x1 slopes. We have 4 modified 2x1 slopes. We have 4 modified 2x2 slopes. We have 4 brown reverse slopes. And then we have this little guy whose name I have no idea. And finally, we have this really cool 3-segmented axle joint. And remember, if you don't have the pieces, don't worry, just make your own version. Let's get started on the body. So here's the back side, and as you can see, for the feet, I've used a 2x3 brick on each of his feet, and then what I've done is I've done the ankle there with just a 2x2 brown brick. Then what I've done is I've put a 2x6 plate just to give it a little bit of height. Then underneath, I've got a reverse slope, a brown slope there. Then once again, I've added, just like the feet, a 2x3 brick and a 2x3 brick. And then through here, I've got the start of that hinge axle right there. Then just on top, all I've done is I've put a 2x6 plate, then a 2x4 plate on top. Then all I've done is I've curved it off there, I've curved it off there. I've put another little curve there, another little curve there, and 2 there. As you can see here, I've stuck a 2x1 hinge clip just in there, and then what I've done is I've just added the other hinge, but instead of putting it the right way up, I put it reverse, and then a 1 to 2 slope in there. See, that is the backside. Moving on to the middle of the body, the forearms. Once again, I've got a 2x3 brown brick. Then again, I've gone for the 2x2 brown brick, and then exactly the same, I've gone a 2x6 plate. I've then added, and this moves all the way through, on either side of that bolt, I've again got a 2x2 brown brick. And then once again on top, I put the 2x6 plate to seal it off. Then another 2x4 plate. Then once again, I've just put those slopes in there. And then I've just added a 2x2 plate, then a 2x1 plate, and then I've just put 2 slopes there. Remembering, if you don't have any of these pieces, it doesn't matter. You can make your own dog. And then, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click those 2 pieces together, and I've got the body. Now, Maddy, it's time for you to build the head.
So now to show you how we made Chewie's head. What we do is we grab a 2x2 plate, which is going to be the base of the neck. We then have underneath here, we have 2 2x2 L-shaped plates. So they're going to fit just directly under that neck piece there. We now have 3 reverse 2x2 slopes. So we've got 1, 2, 3 around the base of the neck there. We also have the opposing end of the axle. So that's going to fit into the neck there. So it's going to click into the rest of the body, as you can see. Now onto the tongue. We have 2 1x3 red plates and a 2x1 red cheese slope. Very cool and very slimy. The nose / top of the head, we have 2 2x4 bricks that are going to sit in there. And the actual nose itself is another black cheese slope, as you can see. Moving up towards more the eye face area, we're going to put a 2x4 plate. We've raised that up so the eyes can fit in a little bit later. Now moving to the eyes, we're going to use a 1x4 snot brick that's just going to sit right along here. And we're going to put 2 studs on either side that's going to basically push our eyes out a little bit further so they have a little bit of depth. We then have a 2x2 plate that sits on the top there. And then we have our two 1x3 curved slopes for Chewie's ears. Now, we can't forget the best part, which are the eyes. So cool. We've got our little studs here. We're going to press the eyes onto those studs like so. So they come out a little bit towards the nose. And there you go, you've got the head. Now, to connect it all together, we're going to pop the axle into the head just like so. There you have it, a fully articulated Lego Chewie.
What do you think, Chewie? Sweet. See you next time, guys.
Bye.
Hello. Sit.
I feel like his poos would be a lot smaller too.
They would.